The first thing to do when you want to open cryptocurrency wallet na to first download am from your Play Store. That is if you dey use Android phone, and if you wan use am from if you wan use open am for your phone, you first of all download am from your Play Store, then you open am. This wallet na blockchain wallet, so you go search for blockchain wallet for your Play Store, then you click on create a wallet, then you write the email wey you wan use. You make sure say the password wey you use na strong password, so that dem no go fit hack am easily. Then you create your wallet. This wallet dey use two-factor authentication. That means you go use both password and PIN. So you input the PIN when you want. See am now, I don create the PIN automatically. Now im go send email. That email na im go use verify the account. As you dey wait make the email send, you know say your cryptocurrency wallet na im go use, you send person your address, dem go use am send you cryptocurrency for anywhere in the world. So if you dey Nigeria here, your brother wey dey USA go send you money through your cryptocurrency wallet, go send you Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, anyone wey you want, they go send am to you. So the email never still come. Although I no know why it take time like this. Usually e no dey take time. So na like this your dashboard go dey. I will wait make the thing open. You see this thing wey dey here so? Na this one be your wallet ID. You go keep am safe, make nobody see am o. See your dashboard, see the price of Bitcoin now. The price of Bitcoin now na $6,329.84. The price of ETH na $318. So they go put am there for you to see. If you wan send somebody your address wey dem go use send you money, na here you go click on. You click on here. That is if you wan scan QR code, na there you go click. Then if you wan receive money, you click on this down button for here. They will tell you tap to copy address. You go tap the address. This one wey dey here, na you go copy. You send and give people. See am copy, yes. then you go paste am for the place where you wan send the person. But if you wan send money, na here you go click. Shey you see, if you wan send, you write the amount of BTC wey you wan send, put the address wey you wan send am to, then you click am. As dem never still send the email, which I no know why, e be like say network get problem, they go use your email. You make sure say you verify your email. That one dey very very important. So basically na like this to open cryptocurrency wallet dey very easy. You no need to stress yourself, no need to go bank, no need to do BVN, no need to do plenty wahala. Easy and fast.